Would you believe that? One smashed or broken tie rod end completely snapped in half. I was mowing and this wheel just went like this. I couldn't steer and I thought, oh, something serious was gone wrong, and that's the result, broken tie rod ends. I've never had that happen in all the years mowing this yard here, so the grass isn't over long. I've mowed stuff 4 times that height. So yeah, just metal fatigue, but this isn't that old. This unit is not that old. Lucky I've got some new ones here, and I've got the old one in case, because there's left and right. I might even put the old one back on until I get a new one just to get going again. Oh well, little job will do it right now. There's the new one back on. Just happened to have a spare new one, so that was pretty handy. Always buy a couple when you buy them, I suppose. And that's the part number. Oh boy, CHD 8240, HCHD 8240. So we're just going to tighten her up. Remember, you've got to have a spinner up top here to hold the unit so it doesn't just spin around in the bore here while you're doing the nut up. It's sided so it slips in under the boot. Right, on the go repairs, back on, all screwed up, if you know what I mean. It's back on, new one, all tightened up. We have our steering again, so I can go mowing. So yeah, on the fly repair with this one and back into the mowing. Thanks for watching.